back. This is Ruckard Trailering part 15. So today I was going to do some back tests to find the final settings, but I think I'm going to check this thing about closing a trade when it's too old, because I have seen that sometimes what happens is that the order takes a long time to complete, and maybe we should just ignore that order and try to close it even if we win or we lose, and then do another thing. But what we have here as too old order is meant to work with the minimum loss, and that's not the same thing I want to do. So we're going to do that. Probably we will need to update Ruckard Zignaly template so that it has this new to all order setting improvement. I'm going to show you a video and we will start.
Zignaly, all of the profit, none of the work. Invest alongside the top digital asset managers and funds. If you use my link and deposit at least 100 USDT or more to any profit sharing services, you will be rewarded with $20 worth of non-withdrawable thick coins that can be used for paying Zignaly success fees.
Okay, so yeah, I'm going to show you what I mean. With this. So if we take a look and search for yeah, where is it? Okay, so if we take a look here and we search, so this is trailering. By the way, this Alma, don't want this anymore. So I'm going to show you, look at that, 16 average bars, and can I don't see how much candles do we have on each one of them. Okay, let's search for a big movement like this one. Okay, here we have some movement. This is yeah, I mean, we could do this thing about the stop loss now that I think about it. Trailering, which would make stop losses smaller each time, and we will have, yeah, I mean, not, yeah, okay, so never mind. So this is 12 bars. I mean, it's not a lot, but I know that there are many of the trades take do not take too much time. Oh, okay, let's take a look here. What the hell do we have here? What the hell is this? This is not, we don't want this. Even if we win, we don't want this because it's too much. we want more trades, so we can increase the trailering period if we want to. Okay, let's check this, but I think it's better just to say we want just 13 trades or whatever, so that we have more opportunities. So here we cut and then we short. We should say mean 20 candles. How much candles? I don't know. Yeah, look at that. 20 candles mean 24 candles, which is 1 day. Then you stop. Why do you want to have more trades? You just stop and that's it. So here we have these two old stop order, which, yeah, let me see. Okay, so somewhere around here there's the to all order input, okay, and this is based on stop loss. So you can take a look. What the hell are you? You can take a look down here how it works. Okay, so if the order is too old and stop loss is whatever, so as you can see here, we check on each one of the trades if the close is less than the stop loss. Okay, if that's the case, then we close everything. But this has the problem that it does not work with positive numbers. So yeah, so what we can do here is having a negative value for this. But can we have a negative value for this setting? Stop loss. Minimum value is 0. Okay, let's say minimum value is 100, not 0. That way it should help us. Minus 100. Yeah, and this, wait a minute. Do we have both of them, or who the hell is this? Do we have long and short in the same place, or Yeah, so yeah, we just need negative values so that we can make what we want to do without breaking everything. That's it. So minus 100 means that you have more than 100, less than positive 100, and this is the other way around. So this should be it. So we can say we can test this right now and see what we get. So the idea is that we want to remove, to have more trades here. Okay. So now I should be able to turn on the stop loss. Here it is. With 20 trades, which seems nice to me. I mean, not 20 but 24. Okay, let's say that. And we should also use minus 100, which is the minimum. So that's what I want to use. Let's get a screenshot of this without applying changes. And now this should close the trade no matter what when you get to 24 trades. And this is working. Look at that. Is it useful for every one of the offsets? That's a good question that you might ask yourself. This one has more trades and more return. So somehow we managed to... Yeah, I mean, maybe we have too many trades. So I wonder if we can do the same thing with so many trades, or if maybe it's a good thing that we have more trades, if you ask me. Drawdown might be worse, but you know, we have those many trades. That's a good thing to have. "24 periods is a big number of periods." Okay, look at that. I want to check what happens if we remove this setting. Is worse. So 508 mean drawdown is smaller. What does happen with 12? Okay, 24 seems to be a good value. Let's try more offsets, see what happens. $212. What the hell? -6. And now -4. So yeah, so sometimes it doesn't work so well. $472. I mean, it's not as good as it seems, although we get more trades, that's for sure. So we have just like more trades. That's usually a good thing, or maybe not. I wonder what happens if we set this to 30. -4. I'm not sure what we have before. -4. And now, how much is it? Um, 20 hours. Is it any better by any chance? What about 12 hours? 12 hours is not too much, I think. Okay, let's try and check. What the hell are you here? What more we have here? We start to have better results again. Yeah, I mean, you've got better results, but you know. Okay, 214 trades with 33. This adds more trades, more results. Yeah, so we need to test this too. Otherwise, back test everything above plus to hold order at 24 bars. Okay, so we have a spammer here. Okay, let's save this new setting that we have right now. Okay. So this is something like enable to all orders to have negative values so that we can stop them no matter if there is a stop loss or not. Okay. The next thing is setting up this to the values we want to use, which is 24 and yeah, and then this is minus 100. Wait a minute. Tooltip. Okay, yeah, this is a tooltip. So this is minus 100. The same thing should happen here. Minus 100. This is set by default here. The stop loss we don't care at all. Wait a minute. Yeah, this is 24. I have messed up. Yeah, so this is minus 100. The tooltip also should say minus 100. Okay, so this should be G10 settings. Let's see if we have managed to do this properly. Okay. Let's try this on trading view. But we can check that we have done everything right. This was 23 offset. Okay, so if I reset everything and ask for 23 offset, do we have something similar or not? Here it is. I don't remember what we have here. Oh my god. Do we have... Yeah, stop loss. We might have changed the settings, but I don't think we have enabled it. What the hell is this? Where the hell is stop loss? Here it is. We have not enabled them because I haven't thought about this, you know. So this is true, and here also, yeah, this is true. Nice. So now, yes, we are ready. So we should be able to save this properly. So now we should be able to. What the hell is this? Yeah, we should be able to test this, and it should work a bit better. We won't have those long trades, even if maybe the problem is something else. Thanks to this, we can manage the trades not to be so long. Okay, so reset settings. Look at that. Now we can change the trailering offset. And we have more trades. That's a bit better. Okay. The other day I was trying to use here 5 period, which I'm not sure it would help with all of this. Let's see. 5 period, is it any good? Well, it doesn't seem so. It doesn't seem so. Or is it? We have too many trades, and I don't think. Maybe it is a good thing to have. I mean, there are a lot of. This is not very good. Why? I don't know. Yeah, I mean, so this is G10. So backtest G10 with trailering period 5. I mean, we have a lot of things. I mean, I would rather have hyper something from Ruckard Trade, hyper opt from Ruckard Trade to optimize this in an automatic manner. There are some trades that are not so good, but then the other ones are much better. But I'm not sure if this is a good thing, because this is 300 trades, and if we have more. So this needs to be multiplied by 24, you know what I mean? So it's like, you know, 324. Yeah, so this is 2 years. So that means per year, and that means 10 trades per day. I mean, those are a lot of trades. I already account for the fees, but you know, maybe the other ones which have less trades are better. Okay, let's do G10 so that we have it. Yeah, so let's bump this to G10. G10. Nice. What about today is 13. Nice. Let's push this in such a way that so now I should be able to show you something. Yeah, so this is G10. So G10. G10, I'm going to edit a bit of description so that you can use G10 if you want to. Okay. Yeah, I mean, this needs to be backtested a lot, and well, we have managed to do this thing about having negative values so that we can exit if we want to. It's like something like break-even too, which we have not tested yet, but you could say something like this, okay? You could say you have this, okay, and then you have this, and then you can say hello. Why have I saved this? Hello, I want -1% as a, I mean, I want 1% as a sort of break-even. So if we have more than 1% with more than 24 trades, then we close. Okay, let me see. 18%. 10% drawdown. Okay, drawdown seems to be the same thing always. I mean, this should be based on ATR and not, you know, not the percentage, but that's what it is. And where we will say if we have reached in 24 bars something, then go out. That's it. But we need something. We need something else. I mean, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, then you can do something like what we had originally, which was six trades, but using 1% as a way of saying we go out when we have 6%. Okay, look at that. It's not good enough. Maybe this is a good way of finding out which is the best value. Look at that. Probably this starts to be better, but not so much. I mean, what do we have with 24? Because then maybe that's what. We have this. Let me take a screenshot. Okay. So we were with 16. Didn't work so well. Okay, so probably having this doesn't help too much. Is it any better if it's 3% instead of 1? Yes, no. Well, I don't care. We will make a Trailering period, and that's it. So the next video we need to backtest. Backtest and define 3 winning strategies based on this one. Okay, I'm not going to call this super strategy, but yeah. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video.